when you drive your car for extended periods of time and then you park it somewhere and then you walk up again to your car and then you see all of this coming from your car. No, this is not, I don't think it's condensation from air conditioning. No, I think it's coming, yeah, from here. Oh, what the hell is this? Yeah, I guess now I know where it's leaking from. Wow, look at this, guys. Yeah, this tank is toast. I think I should replace it very soon. All right, guys, so it's another day. So what do we have in here? We need to replace the tank in here. Okay, in order to do that, you have to unscrew those two tin mills. All right, and then unplug this hose and the hose that goes like, I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, it goes in here, as you can see it, guys. It's like the same thing. It's clamped using like a clamp like this one, okay? But in order to do this, obviously, you have to remove the vacuum canisters in here. And to do that, you have to remove this bolt in here, which is, again, like 10 mil, and then like unplug these. But when you unplug these hoses, these vacuums here, you have to make sure that they go to the right, like you have to like to mark them. So this one goes for this one here, because there's one here goes in here, and there's like at the bottom another one. So yeah, let's start doing it. First we have to remove those two, okay? So all you need to do is just remove this one here and this one here. And for the tools, that's what you need. It's an overkill. I think all you need is just like this, but I usually keep those two just in case if like the if you don't have like enough space for it, okay? So yeah, so first of all, you have this 10 mil, so let's actually use this one here. So sorry guys, this is like my first repair video, and oops, I'm doing it all by myself, so it's gonna be like hard to do the filming along with the repair itself. All right, so come on, it's very long. All right, so now underneath there's nothing like attaching, like there are no screws or something holding this. So all you need to do now is just like remove it like this. Make sure you don't cut any of these hoses like that, exactly. And then you just remove this one from underneath and this one here. All right, so now we actually have like a better access to that hose, which is this one here, okay? So now all I need to do is just lift this up. You don't have to remove the whole thing, by the way. And then do the same for this one here. It's a little bit tight in here, but we'll try to do it. See guys, that's why I always have all my tools. So in that case, this one will be, if I can get hold on this, it will be easier. Okay. It's not gonna be easy at all. Alright, let me try again using the screwdriver. Alright. Okay, here we go. Good. Now it's up. Alright, perfect. So now we just unplug this one here. Okay, sorry guys. And then this one, more likely to start like, you might get like something out of it. Alright, it's a little bit hard in here, so what I recommend actually is you unscrew those two bolts so that you have like you free it up so that you have like more space. So that's what I'm doing in here. think this one will be easier using this one here. All right. So yeah, now you can actually like remove those two. But you have, again guys, you have to make sure that you know where they are going. So the outer one goes for the inner, like the canister that is in here. And this one here goes to the outer one. Wow, they are all soaked with coolant. Okay, so now it's almost free, as you can see. So now you have to disconnect the this sensor. Ouch. All right, good. And then it's attached to the car only by this one here. Now you have more space, so you can like play around with it like that. Oops. Yeah, so you can like move it like this. Unfortunately, guys, it's gonna be like two-handed process. I mean, let me just try to put it like this. Yeah. All right. Sorry guys, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So that's the bad one, as you can see. So if you remember guys, it was leaking from here. As you can see, like the plastic's very bad actually. And yeah, we lost a lot of coolant, but that's okay, that's okay. All right, so that's all you need to do actually. All right, so yeah, let's go and see like the coolant I bought from eBay. All right guys, so that's the coolant I bought from eBay for 30 bucks. If it's broken or non-working, I'll be just as surprised as you are, guys. So yeah, we will see. Hopefully it's not. Come on. Okay, go. Go. Right. Oh, so that's actually good. There are a lot of Amazon. Yeah, I bought from like some guy. It's not. I didn't buy it from like some company or something. So, all right. So it actually came with the sensor. That's good. That's good. But I think since this sensor is working, I'll just keep it. So, all right. So that's the new coolant. It's aftermarket. It's made in China, but was made 2016. Hopefully, it's not as bad as the one I have. Although, that's not a good sign here. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So this one, I'm not sure. It's not saying anything on it. All it's saying that. Yeah, I can't tell. I cannot tell when it was made. No, I really can't. Well, it's old enough, so that's all I know. All right, so yeah, let's put this one here. But you know what, guys, before I do this, I just want to make sure about something, because part of the reason this one is bad, I think, because the cover itself is toast. See? It's 140, I think, psi, but as you can see here, it's toast. Hopefully this one has a better cover. We'll see. I mean, it's used, But at least not, you know, like it's not as broken as this one. This one is broken, and like this gasket here will not actually like close firmly on here. But this one at least, I mean, it's not clean, but yeah, I guess it's not bad. What do we have in here? Oh, okay, all right. So yeah, let me actually, I'll be using the sensor from the old one. Okay. Oh, okay. Even like the sensor is bad in here. I'm not sure. Should I use it or use this one? I don't know. At least I know for sure this one is working. It's just that this one is bad, so I think I'll just use. No. I thought it would be easy just like to remove this one, but it's not. You know what? I'm gonna use the sensor that came with this one. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll just use the sensor from this one. Although, as I told before, guys, I'm pretty sure that the sensor here is working, no issues, but this one's getting like brittle, as you can see in here. So, yeah, that might break it actually. So, we'll be just using this one. All right. So, yeah. So now you just go in the reverse order. So, let me see if I can do it again in here. I don't think I need to clean it or something, so I think all we need to do now is just put this one here like that. All right, okay, good. And then put the sensor back. So where's the sensor? Huh? No, that's not the sensor. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. Here it is. Okay. It goes like... No, the other way around, I think. Yeah, like this. Okay, good. Alright, so now all I need to do, make sure that this one in here, guys, like this one here, goes onto this one. So that, because this is like how, oops, sorry guys, this is how you put it, like that, exactly. All right, so now we have it. So just start to put back these screws in here. All right, so where's the 10 mil? Oh, okay, guys. I was looking for the 10 mil. I can't find it. It's probably somewhere in here. All right, now we lost the 10 mil. Maybe it is somewhere in here on the car. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. That's stupid and gibberish, but yeah. All right, so you don't have to screw it like firmly, because plastic and might break. I think it's easier this way. Okay. think that's firm actually. All right, very good, very good. Now I would recommend that, guys, you just like put these back, like the vacuums here, you put them back before I actually start to put this one here back. So, and this one is in here like that, and goes like on this one. All right, good. So now you just make sure that you put this one here on its right position, and I would recommend actually like it's like two-handed operation, guys. So I would recommend that you put the bottom hoses before you actually like put the whole assembly, and make sure that this one here is like all the way in here. All right, so now okay. So now, guys, you have to make sure that these goes into their pins like that. Yeah, that's the correct way to do it. Then just like screw this one here. Now I think, yeah, this one here, well, let's see. So this one here, the outer one, was going to this one here, and this one goes onto this one. Yeah. All right, so now I just tight this one here. This one is okay if you just screw it firmly, because it's just like steel on steel. Though still, like, don't overdo it. There's no need. All right. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's firm. If there's a problem with the connection, it will tell us immediately. So, yeah. And then finally, you just put this one here back like this. All right, so, yeah. Now, yeah, all I need to do now is just like start the engine, put coolant in it, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, so now after filling the coolant and taking the car for a ride, make sure that there are no leaks, and there are actually no leaks indeed. And one last thing actually you need to do is that you have to be careful with it. You just need to bleed it. So I did it already, just so that like it doesn't blow in my face. But after like driving for a while, you have to make sure like the system is bleeding, because probably like when you replaced it, some air got into the cooling system. So all you need to do is just like bleed it. If you drove it hard and like the oil temperature sensors are like very high, use this bleeding point. But for me, I drove it for like a couple of miles, but it got like to the operating temperature for a while, and now I just bleed the system using just like this, because this one has 2 stages. So yeah, no leaks, bleed the system, so all is good. So yeah, that's everything for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.